Hello all, I am back with a new topic for all of you. I am DJ Sai Prasanna, the personality development trainer. Now I'll tell you a small story so that you all will understand the topic I am going to tell you about. Yeah, there is a little girl who is participating in the running race. There are 6 to 10 members who are participating in the running race and the age group is 6 to 10. All people were participating in the running race already, as I told you, and all are very energetic and being potential. But I have mentioned that one girl is participating in the running race and she is handicapped. Being handicapped, she is participating in the running race which is held with the normal people. How is she participating with the normal people? Being handicapped. Handicap means she is having no leg. She is having only one leg. She is running with the stick. She is having one stick to support her leg which was broken and one leg is alright. But she is still participating in the running race with the normal people. How can she do it? It is all about her self-confidence. Yes friends, today our topic is self-confidence. This self-confidence leads you to wherever you want to go, will make you more and more motivated, will increase your potential, will increase your strength, will take you wherever you want to go. So please improve your self-confidence. Yeah. So that the girl knows that she will not win, but she truly knows that she is going to win on some day. She just participated in that race to improve her skills, to encourage herself. But this will be only possible when there are positive people surrounded around you. There might be hundreds of negative people surrounded around you, but your mental ability should be there to take all the negative thoughts, all the negative words given by the around people around you into a positive way. If someone is telling that you cannot do that, do not even tell a word in return. Just do it and show them, so that your self motivation and self confidence increases. So now I'll give you some affirmatives to be self confident all the time. The first one is I accept myself unconditionally. Okay, please accept yourself unconditionally. You may be dumb, you may be deaf, you may be black, you may be ugly, you may be beautiful, you may be worthful, you may be worthless. You should accept yourself unconditionally. And second one, I will forgive for all the mistakes I have done. You might have done many mistakes in throughout your life. Please forgive yourself for all the mistakes and do not repeat those mistakes again, so that your self-confidence increases. You're becoming good day by day, right? While you're becoming good day by day, your confidence is also getting increased. So please do forgive yourself for the mistakes you have done. I am having all the rights to say no. This is the third affirmative. Yes, you should say no for whatever you're not liking. Do not do anything forcibly for the thing which you don't like. Please be without fear. Please be brave to say no for the things which you don't like. This is the third affirmative you should encourage for yourself, that you should say no for the things you don't like. And another thing is, I love myself unconditionally. Loving is different and accepting is different. You should love yourself unconditionally. You might do many mistakes. You might not correct them. even though you should love yourself. While someone is pointing at you and telling all the time that you're useless, you're useless, you're useless, even though you know that you're useless, you should love yourself. When you love yourself, you will motivate yourself to do something and to become useful. So, please love yourself unconditionally. And do not take the words which are coming around. Do not grasp the negative forces. Please stop all the negative forces with the positive things, with your positive thoughts, so that you will stay motivated all the time. Staying motivated builds self-confidence in you. Yeah, this is all from my side, friends. Being self-confident will lead you to wherever you want to go, whatever you want to achieve. Thank you for giving such great opportunity. We'll meet you next time. All the best.